Hi everyone, I'm Hernandez and it's New Year's Eve, so I'm going to show you how to bring the party to your makeup for a fun festive New Year's Eve look, even if you're just at home hanging out. Using this beautiful complex Couture palette, I'm going to jump into the shade Redwood. What we're going to do today is create a beautiful halo eye. So I'm just going to start tapping that right on the inner portion of the eye. Again, just keep tapping until you get really nice color payoff. Using a small flat shader brush, that same color Redwood, I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line on the outer corner, and I'm making sure to connect it to this top part here, inner corner. Now I'm going to pick up the color Toast, and I'm using that same brush that we used for the inner and outer corner of the eye. I'm going to start blending the outer corner of the eye, and I'm just using little tiny circular motions. And I'm going to start blending this side. Once I've deposited most of the color, I'm going to go ahead and sweep that right into my crease. I'm going to pick up that same color, blend out the outer corner, creating a ton of shadow on the inner and outer portion of the eye. I'm going to go in with this beautiful eye luster by Ciate in the shade Cupid, and I'm going to place that right in the center of the eye. And I'm just gently going to tap along the edges just so that we get a really nice blend. I'm also going to go ahead and place that beautiful glitter eyeshadow right on my lower lash line, but I'm keeping it right in the center. So because it's New Year's and I want to be extra, I'm going to go in with some added glitter, and I'm going to be using the Artist Couture Diamond Lights Finisher, and this is in the shade Spotlight Glitz. Using my ring finger, pop that right in the center. So I'm just keeping that right on the lid. With the Complex Couture Executive Level Mascara, coating my lashes starting at the root and slowly working my way through my lashes. I'm going to place Diamond Glitz in my tear duct and pop that right in the tear duct for a fun sparkle. I'm going to be using the Morphe Highlight and Contour Palette, the shade Donut. Make like a pucker face, and that's going to work as a nice guideline for where you want to place your contour. I'm also going to place that color on the perimeter of my forehead and then a little bit along the jawline. I'm going to be going in with the Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. Sweep that right along the highest point of my face. To finish off this festive New Year's Eve look, I'm going in with this beautiful Artist Couture lip gloss in the shade Peepshow. Alright guys, this is the final look. I'm so ready to celebrate and drink hot chocolate and watch movies on the couch.